The Dual Tap Kegerator 90 inches keg beer cooler refrigerator with digital display by KITMA. The KITMA Dual Tap Kegerator is a durable kegerator with a good capacity. You'll have no trouble fitting a full-size keg plus up to 4 homebrew kegs simultaneously. The Dual Tap comes in handy in high-volume situations and keeps you at the ready for a busy night at the tap. The KITMA Dual Tap also comes with maintenance staff on-site service, which is great news for your restaurant or bar. One of the primary concerns with a large piece of equipment like a commercial kegerator is maintenance. The fact that KITMA offers such hands-on service is a testament to the pride they have in their product. Though KITMA is on the high end price-wise, this kind of maintenance guarantee makes the extra expense well worth it. The KITMA Dual Tap is a sleek, smart-looking kegerator that helps keep beer at a cool 30 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit. With digital temperature control, you can ensure beer is always kept at the perfect temperature. What's more, the double faucets can serve up 4 different types of beer simultaneously to your eager customers. This is important for efficiency and to ensure that you provide your customers with the variety and flexibility that they want. And the individual behind the bar will appreciate KITMA's versatility and intuitive features. KITMA looks great and performs like a dream, making it one of the best commercial kegerators available today. Now here's some pros. 30 cubic foot capacity, a 1/5 horsepower compressor, double faucet towers, and a black-coated steel exterior with a stainless steel top. Now for some cons. It does not include the CO2 bottle.